Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite vacation spots, the Florida Keys. So first I wanted to orient you with where they are. So here we go. The Florida Keys are an archipelago located off the southern coast of Florida. They are the southernmost part of the continental United States. So right here. The Florida Keys are a 125-mile long chain of islands that are connected by the Overseas Highway. So if you look closely, the Overseas Highway takes off mainland Florida here and then starts in Key Largo and goes all the way down to Key West. So the Overseas Highway is made up of 42 bridges, one of which is 7 miles long. There are five main regions of the Keys. Key Largo is the northernmost, Isla Morada, Marathon, Lower Keys, and Key West. So we drove down when we visited, and it's really cool to drive over the overseas highways. And as you're driving south, you've got the Atlantic Ocean on your left, or over on this side, and the Gulf of Mexico on your right, or over here. So as my wife and I planned our vacation, we utilized this very helpful website that has information on all of the various keys, Key Largo, Isla Morada, Marathon, Lower Keys, and Key West. So as you can see, it's lots of water. So the coastal waters of the Keys of this island chain include shallow water flats, mangroves, and coral reefs. There's lots to do, as you can see in all these pictures, plenty of water sports, paddle boarding, scuba diving, snorkeling, fishing, boating, diving, you name it. If it's a water sport, you can do it down there. Additionally, there's a lot of wildlife, fish, pelicans, manatees, dolphins, turtles, birds, all that sorts of thing. So today I just wanted to showcase the Key West, one of the day trips we did during our time there. So Key West is, as it says here, located closer to Cuba than to Miami, and a tropical paradise. So here's the map. I wanted to play this video so you can get a sense.
Key West is Florida's southernmost paradise, and it's actually located closer to Cuba than to Miami. It's known for its balmy year-round temperatures, picturesque historic architecture, and an anything-goes atmosphere. Dating back to the early 1800s, the tiny island now attracts artists, writers, treasure divers, enthusiastic anglers, and escapees from the everyday world.
So as you can see, there's lots going on in Key West. It's a wonderful place to visit. There's lots of food and drink, as you can see here, things to do, diving and snorkeling, fishing, arts, culture. So we were able to go out to eat and enjoy ourselves there. One of our favorite places, let's see where it was. Oh, here we go. Key West, best of the best bars. So it was a lot of fun. Overall, there's so much to do in the Keys, and I'll just showcase a few pictures from our trip. So this is our dog Rosie, but there's plenty of palm trees and the tropical coastal atmosphere that you're looking for. We saw a lot of pelicans and crystal clear blue water, and of course, can't miss a sunset. This is the sunset from Mallory Square and the very bottom tip of Key West. All right, I hope you all get to enjoy the Keys someday.